Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how you can do more pull-ups. So how can you do more pull-ups? Well, one thing that you can do is that you can utilize the stretch reflex whenever you do pull-ups. Whenever you're doing a pull-up, if you bounce at the bottom of the movement, you will create a stretch reflex, and this will make the reps a lot easier. I did 3 sets of 10 today on pull-ups. It was super easy. I probably could have done more than that, but I was still able to do 3 sets of 10, which is pretty impressive for someone who isn't super good on back movements like myself. I can only do about half of my body weight attached to my body on weighted pull-ups, and I don't have the best pull-up strength, but whenever I utilize the stretch reflex on pull-ups, I can do more pull-ups. So try this trick out. I think it'll really help you to be able to do more pull-ups, and not a lot of other fitness YouTubers talk about this. They talk about using the stretch reflex on overhead press and bench press and some powerlifting moves, but no one really talks about it in the calisthenics world and in calisthenics movements. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.